It's the 92ProFM.com Cookie Creations Contest, powered by the Girl Scouts of Rhode Island and Pinkberry. Vote for your favorite Pro FM personality flavor now. Jessica's Crazy Bees starts with blood orange flavored Pinkberry and shortbread Girl Scout cookies. Geo orchestrated the Vonnie masterpiece, including Pinkberry Original and peanut butter patties. Kim Zandy's Zandy Dandy has chocolate frozen yogurt and caramel delights. J-Buff used everything he could get his hands on, including Pinkberry pomegranate and Thanks a Lot cookies. Davy Morris's Strawberry Caramel Mint Delight starts with Pinkberry Caramel and gets topped off with Thin Mints. Our most popular flavor will be featured on the Pinkberry menu in Cranston. Plus, every week we'll pick one random voter to win a case of their favorite Girl Scout cookie and a $25 Pinkberry gift card. Thanks for voting and good luck from 92ProFM.com.